Howdy folks, today we're gonna try and make some steak paninis with chimichurri. And to do so, we're gonna use this bone-in ribeye. Pretty as it gets, huh? Let's ride.
This is my country, my damn country, and it don't mean a thing if you don't pass the test.
So the main reason that I like to use oil while I'm cooking my steaks, it just really gives your kitchen that nice greasy feel for the week after cooking and just gets everything nice and filthy. Woo! Now it's important to remember here that your steak is gonna cook more while you're cooking your panini. So you wanna make sure to keep it a little bit more rare than what you actually want it to be with the final product. Let's flip. Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh, that's good. And now we're gonna put this in timeout while we work on our other stuff. Now we're gonna make our chimichurri. Parsley, cilantro, oregano, minced garlic, crushed red pepper, red wine vinegar, olive oil, and then let's juice a lime into here. Salt, pepper. Now we blend. Ooh, that smells good. Boom, Fontina, ready to go. Let's see what's inside. Oh, no way. It's a ribeye. That is good looking. Okay, well, I didn't really think this through, but I don't have a panini press. So, hey little wife. Yeah, I was just wondering, where's the waffle maker? Hey. So I found the waffle maker, but I don't know how to use it. So you close it and then flip it over immediately? Do y'all think this is gonna work? I mean, why would it not? Oh, hell man, we're smashing this thing. I might have done too much. Can't quite close it. Be nice if we could flip it. How do we get this off? Does anyone know? Damn. Huh. Oh, wow. Look at that. Honestly, after seeing it like this, I think even if I had a panini press, I think I would do this. All of a sudden people are like, hey, what's that? Yeah, no, it's just a panini. Just a panini with ribeye chimichurri made on a waffle maker. You bitch. Ah, it's spattering at me. I think I'm just gonna have to pull this off because it's too freaking wild. Oh, yeah, see, that's only the top half. Uh-oh. This is catastrophic right here. Uh-oh. Oh, damn. I got in way over my head. What was I thinking? Oh, hey, it kind of came off in one piece. This is turning into a disaster. Okay, here we go. Morale is at an all-time low right now, folks. But that's okay. A lot of times that's when people do great things, right? It's also when people do horrible things, I guess. Leftover steak. Oh no, that's hot. That steak is excellent though. I'm telling you, there's no such thing as leftover steak. If there is, you did something wrong. You either bought the wrong steak or you're a moron. Neither one is acceptable. That thing was really hot when I touched it. Oh, this one's looking good. Morale is at an all-time high. Oh no, damn it. My bread ripped. Oh, and I have steak falling out. You gotta be, damn it. Oh no! Morale is at an all-time low right now. But the final one goes on. Ah, and I already had the steak fall off. You gotta be. Oh, the oil got me in the face. But they actually look really good. Ooh, it's spitting again. You gotta be careful about that. It's looking real pretty. Morale is at an all-time high right now. This is a freaking massacre right here. We might be able to pull this one off in one piece. No. Oh, dude. My bottom bread ripped again. What the heck? Oh! I'm gonna lay it like this. Damn, that's horrible. Hey, that looks nice though. Oh, wow. That came right out. Finished with a failure. Morale's at an all-time low. All right, let's cut into one of these. Oh, that looks good. Oh, looks like hell, tastes like heaven. Here's my final verdict. This was an extraordinarily frustrating recipe. I will say it tastes so damn good that my morale's at an all-time high right now. Yes! Well, that's that. If you have any specific recipes you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Yeah, and to discover more failures like this that end up tasting really good, go ahead and follow along and we'll see y'all next week.
American meat delivered.